All right, let's look at the pattern of numbers. 110 to 112. I always like to, maybe it's multiplication, but that's not intuitive and not something that I want to do off the top of my head if I can just add or subtract. So I know to get from 110 to 112, I can just add 2. And I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just writing it out to see what it is going to be like. So, and see if we happen to notice a pattern. 112 to 107, we're going to need to subtract 5 to get there. 107 to 109 is add 2, which is good because we saw that before, so hopefully we'll see minus 5 again. 109 to 104 is in fact minus 5, so we could assume that the next number in the pattern is going to be 104 plus 2, which is going to give us 106. Option C. All right, and next, consider the following formula. Half of B minus 4 gives us A. Which of the following statements is true? So I'm just going to choose some numbers based on the statements and see if it is always true. When the value of B is less than 8, A is negative. So let's say B equals 6. I'm going to choose 6 because it's even. Half of 6 is like 6 divided by 2, or half of 6 is 3. Minus 4 is negative 1, so that is true. And I might try another number just in case. Let's try 2. Half of 2 is 1. Minus 4 is negative 3, so it works again. All right, if B is greater than 8, then A is negative. And I see that C is, so B is greater than 8. Let's try 10. Half of 10 is 5 minus 4 is positive, so that is not true. A and C are opposites of each other, so B is less than 8 and it says A is positive. We already determined that if B is less than 8, A is negative, so we can say that's not true. And then when the value of B is greater than 4, A is positive. So greater than 4, 6 is greater than 4. Half of 6 is 3, minus 4 is negative 1, so that is not true. So one thing I did notice is that B is greater than 4, so like we could use, I don't know, 12, because 12 is greater than 4. Half of 12 is 6, minus 4 is 2, and that is positive. But for the example that we used, if B is 6, which is greater than 4, A was negative, so it's not always true, which is why I'm going to choose A.